Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Wix account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and on the search bar, click over there and type in wix.com and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Wix login in the Google itself, and you will see the first result is the Wix itself, and on the second it's also Wix. Let's click on the second one because the first one was just an ad. And now see, you can see both of these pages are same. We are opening the same site on both pages. Let's close one of these, and now to sign into your Wix account, you can see the sign in option over here. Click over there. Let's log into the Wix itself. And now to log into your Wix account, just simply put your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here, and after that click on the login to sign into your Wix account from computer, or you can just log into your Wix account from your Google, Facebook or your Apple account. Or if you have not yet signed up for a Wix account, simply click on sign up to go to the sign up procedure of the Wix itself. Now if you want to log into your Wix account from Google, let's continue with Google. You can try these other out, and you can see your Gmail has popped out of our computer, logging to asking permission to continue to Wix, and choose the account with which you want to log into your Wix, and you will be logged into your Wix account from Google. Same goes for Facebook and Apple. And then guys, this is how you log into your Wix account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.